A farmer has 120 metres of fencing. He wants to use the fencing together with an existing wall to make a rectangular enclosure, as shown in the diagram below. So this would be the existing wall just here. Find the dimensions of the enclosure that maximize the area and determine the maximum area. So the first thing is, let the width be x. So if we call this x, then this is x as well. Now in total, this is 120 meters. Now if it's x there and x there, this would be 120 minus 2x. So the area is going to be x times 120 minus 2x, which is 120x take away 2x squared. So we want to differentiate. dA dx is going to be 120 take away 4x, and we need that to be 0. So 4x is going to be equal to 120, and that means that x is equal to 30. So the width is going to be 30 meters. The length would be 120 take away 2 lots of 30, 120 take away 60, so that's going to be 60 meters. And the area then is going to be 30 times 60, which is 1,800 square meters.